Tech News Broadcast Script. Good evening, and welcome to our channel, your premier destination for the latest breakthroughs revolutionizing our world. Tonight, we're diving deep into a whirlwind of innovations that promise to transform how we power our devices, heal our bodies, explore the cosmos, and even create music. From quantum leaps to AI-driven discoveries, let's explore the cutting-edge advancements shaping our future.
First, a seismic shift in energy storage is electrifying the tech world. Scientists at the University of Augsburg in Germany have developed a quantum battery that charges in mere seconds and holds its energy indefinitely without the need for cryogenic cooling. Unlike traditional lithium-ion batteries, which degrade over time, this quantum marvel leverages quantum entanglement to maintain its charge, potentially forever. Imagine electric vehicles zipping along with batteries that never need replacing or smartphones that stay powered for years. This breakthrough could redefine sustainable energy, reducing our reliance on finite resources like lithium and cobalt, and paving the way for greener tech ecosystems. In the realm of medicine, a groundbreaking collaboration between OpenAI and Retro Biosciences is turning science fiction into reality. Using an experimental biology-focused AI model called GPT-4B Micro, researchers have supercharged the efficiency of Yamanaka factors, proteins that reprogram adult cells into their youthful, stem cell-like state, by an astonishing 50 times. For context, Yamanaka factors, discovered by Nobel laureate Shinya Yamanaka, are critical for regenerative medicine. But their low efficiency has been a bottleneck. This AI-driven boost could accelerate therapies for age-related diseases, such as Alzheimer's or heart disease, and even enable lab-grown organs for transplants. For example, a patient with damaged heart tissue could one day receive AI-optimized, lab-grown cells to repair their heart, potentially extending healthy lifespans.
Staying with medical marvels, Canadian researchers have unveiled a bionic eye implant that could restore vision to those who are completely blind. This implant, which bypasses damaged retinas to directly stimulate the brain's visual cortex, has been called one of the greatest scientific achievements of the century. Unlike earlier retinal implants, which only worked for partial vision loss, this device targets conditions like retinitis pigmentosa or severe glaucoma. In early trials, patients reported seeing shapes and light patterns, a promising first step toward full vision restoration. Imagine a world where blindness is no longer a permanent barrier. This innovation could transform lives for millions. In India, Off-Grid Energy Labs is charging toward a sustainable future with their proprietary zinc battery technology. These batteries are not only safer than lithium-ion counterparts, avoiding risks like overheating, but also more cost-effective thanks to zinc's abundance compared to lithium. This technology could democratize energy access, particularly in developing regions, and support global efforts to transition away from fossil fuels.
Out in the vastness of space, SpaceX is pushing boundaries with the 10th test flight of their Starship rocket. This massive, fully reusable rocket successfully splashed down in the Indian Ocean, marking a critical milestone in Elon Musk's vision for interplanetary travel. Unlike traditional rockets, Starship is designed to drastically cut launch costs, making missions to Mars or the Moon more feasible. For example, a single Starship could carry up to 100 passengers or massive cargo loads to establish a lunar base. This test flight brings us closer to a future where humanity becomes a multi-planetary species, with potential applications like mining asteroids for rare minerals or building off-world colonies. Back on Earth, quantum computing is getting a memory upgrade that could change the game. Caltech researchers have developed a method to store quantum information in sound waves, extending quantum memory duration by 30 times. Quantum computing rely on fragile quantum states, which typically collapse within milliseconds. By converting these states into acoustic vibrations in a crystal, researchers can preserve them for seconds, long enough to perform complex computations. For instance, this could enable quantum computers to crack encryption problems or simulate molecular interactions for drug discovery, tasks that classical computers struggle with. This breakthrough is a stepping stone toward practical quantum computing. In the fight for a cleaner planet, AI is proving to be a powerful ally. Researchers are deploying AI-powered digital twins, virtual models of physical systems, to optimize renewable energy sources like wind, solar, and geothermal. For example, a digital twin of a wind farm could predict turbine failures before they happen or adjust blade angles in real time to maximize energy output. While scaling this technology remains a challenge due to data complexity, the potential is enormous. A single optimized solar farm could power thousands of homes more efficiently, cutting costs and carbon emissions. This innovation is a critical piece of the puzzle in achieving global net zero goals.
Light manipulation is also getting a futuristic upgrade with the Metafiber, a device developed by German researchers. This compact tool allows ultra-precise control of light focus within optical fibers, enabling applications that were previously impossible. For instance, in medical imaging, Metafiber could enhance endoscopes, allowing doctors to see deeper into tissues with unprecedented clarity. In telecommunications, it could boost data transmission speeds, supporting the growing demand for 5G and beyond. Its potential in quantum networks, where precise light control is crucial, could also accelerate the development of unhackable communication systems.
At Columbia and Brookhaven, scientists are redefining nanotechnology with DNA-based 3D nanostructures. By programming DNA molecules to self-assemble into complex shapes, they've bypassed the limitations of traditional 3D printing, which struggles at the nanoscale. These structures could be used to create targeted drug delivery systems, such as nanoparticles that release medication only at a tumor site, or to build ultra-efficient solar cells. For example, a DNA-assembled nanostructure could improve solar panel efficiency by precisely arranging light-absorbing molecules, pushing renewable energy forward. Finally, the creative world is getting an AI-powered makeover. British AI music creator Oliver McCann is using artificial intelligence to compose songs across genres, from rock anthems to classical symphonies. By feeding AI vast datasets of musical patterns, McCann can generate tracks in minutes that rival human compositions. For instance, his AI recently produced a jazz piece that fooled listeners into thinking it was human-made. However, this innovation sparks debate. While AI can democratize music creation for aspiring artists, it raises questions about copyright and the soul of creativity. Will AI composers dominate the charts, or will human artistry remain unmatched?
That's all for tonight's Our Channel. From batteries that never die to AI that rewrites biology, these breakthroughs are propelling us into a bold new era. Stay tuned for more as we track the innovations shaping tomorrow.